Did you fight? Oh no! Dali nga.
Welcome to my channel. Today I have a sound machine. And I have something else to show you. Fake French fry and a fake burger and a fake croissant and fake spoon and fork and tray. And guys, this burger can actually be made.
Nagsasalita din si Sarah Nicole, oh.
She wants to, and my baby sister Sarah Nicole wants to also interview in this channel. So, this channel is inspired by me and Sarah Nicole and Mommy. Guys, I have a new Facebook.
So this is the, what do you call this?
Space.
A solar?
Sister.
Yeah, this is the solar
Hold it up,
system.
Mama.
Wow, may sound effect na. Oh, diba? Galing. It's just a pop-up book from... Where did we get this book?
Eda Mama.
Yeah, very good.
Hi viewers, this is my next one. Watch this. Going backwards. And guess what too? Disappear. And guess what? Mommy hold it and draw something.
Right.
And then show to the viewers. There's also cylinder inside.
Okay. Yeah. Palakpak.
Guys, I'm gonna lock it. Did you already lock it?
No, not yet.
Hindi naman yan yung lock eh!
Yung pinindot niya yung erase.
Okay, Mom, let's draw it again! This video is going all wrong! That's the same thing.
No, I'm doing a different one. What's this? It's a dove. Is it funny?
I wanted the heart.
Ah, yung heart.
Mommy, erase mo!
Okay.
This my baby sister's right here.
The heart with the wings.
Can I-
Oh, be careful what you click. You have
Is it
to-
locked already?
Not yet. You have to show them, okay?
And
Kapag nilock mo and then pinindot mo yung erase, it won't be erased because it's locked. Ay nga. Daddy, bigyan mo na siya ng ano. Anong tawag dyan?
sound machine.
Sound machine. Very good.
A drawing board. This is where I usually write my name on. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hey guys, I'm gonna erase it. And guys, I can see it empty, nothing undrawn. You.
Wow, very good.
But also, it's known as a heart. I can draw it.
Heart yan, it looks like a neck pillow.
Looks like a magnet.
Ta-da!
Yeah, what's that?
Looks like a fish.
Okay, guys, I have my Mr. Sharky.
Did you fight? Oh no! Dali nga. Yun lang yun? What did you watch?
Jesus.
A movie about Jesus. Who interprets dreams? Joe?
Anthony.
Joseph Anthony.
Peekaboo! Where are you, dear? Come and play outside and make you and me.
Guys, this is a little bunny.
Wait. Oh.
This is a little dog. Guys, we have a special guest. Luigi! Boop, 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 doop, doop. What is falling down, falling down, falling down. One and it falling down. My bear lady. We're going through the sky, little lifetimes. Hop aboard the ship, all for today. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe so you could help us reach our first white button. Mommy, do you know what content is?
Yeah, I know. What?
Because I just realized I'm obsessed with content.
What's content?
Video.
Video. Do you want to be a vlogger or a YouTuber when you grow up?
I already am.
Okay.